What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric and this is Going Diecast. This is my second episode of my new Going Diecast channel, devoted exclusively to everything diecast and Hot Wheels, Matchbox, M2, Johnny Lightning, you name it. But in today's episode, I got something special for you guys. Got a case. This is a Kroger Exclusives case. This is the second series of the exclusives. They had a series earlier this year, and this is the second series of it. So we're going to open this up, crack this baby open together. I've had this thing for almost a week, actually probably over a week now, but I've been waiting to save it. I want to get it on video and let you guys see what I got in it too. Also, before we do that, I did do some peg hunting. I tried to videotape. Every time I started videotaping, I wouldn't find anything, so I'd have to delete that video because it wouldn't be worth watching, of course. I did that several times over and over, and every time I wouldn't take my phone in to videotape, I'd find a few things. No treasure hunts or anything, but did find a few pretty cool customs that I just want to share with you guys. The other day I went into Walmart. A buddy of mine told me they dropped several cases, and I wasn't able to get there that day, so I stopped the next morning on my way to work. And you know, I knew I was already at least a day late. I wasn't expecting to find anything, no treasure hunts, anything, or super treasure hunts or anything like that. But I thought maybe I'd pick up a few of the newer main lines that I didn't have yet. However, when I got there, pegs were fully stocked. Dump bin was piled over, and I started going through it, and I got about halfway through it, and I realized there was nothing there. Somebody had already cleaned out everything. I mean, nothing. All that was left were a few recolors and a few case carryovers, and that was it. There wasn't any of the newer stuff. None of the desirable stuff was there. So went on down, checked out the premiums. They didn't have anything new on the premiums. Nothing worth getting anyway. Started coming back, walked by the monster trucks, because I have a huge collection of monster trucks, as you can see over there on the wall. I got them all up there on the wall. And I just started going through them, and I stumbled across this bad boy right there. Treasure hunt. It's my first monster truck treasure hunt that I've ever found, which I know there's only 3, I believe. The Barbie Vet, the Bus, and now the Roger Dodger. So that's a treasure hunt. I found that yesterday, I believe it was, at my local Walmart. It's the first one I've ever found of that. And just did a little peg hunting today. Again, didn't videotape because I wasn't expecting to find anything. And look at there, found another one. I actually found this one at a Kroger. No, not a Kroger. Where did I find that one? Target. I believe it was at Target. Found it at Target. So now I got 2 of them. I went probably over a year without finding any, with all the monster trucks that I have, and I find 2 treasure hunts in 2 days. So that was pretty cool. I did go into the Target yesterday. I haven't been in my Target in probably 2 or 3 weeks at least. They just haven't had anything as far as Hot Wheels goes. And so I just haven't been going in there. I just thought, well, I'll just wait and, you know, see what I find later. And went in there, and they didn't have much for the Hot Wheels. Actually, they didn't have much of anything. But I did notice, I picked up a few cars, and I just happened to notice that they had Q-case cars there. I couldn't believe it. Like, I mean, my Walmarts are just now getting a P-case, and the Target had Q-case. Well, of course, I totally missed a drop. I mean, they probably dropped it at the beginning of the week, it looked like, because there wasn't hardly anything left. However, I did manage to find this beauty. Look at that. That is just, I just think that right there is awesome. I love the Hot Wheels Flame Series vehicles to begin with. And I do collect the motorcycles. Oddly enough, I'm not really a motorcycle guy. But I do collect the Hot Wheels motorcycles. I think some of them are really cool, and that one there is by far my favorite. Sorry for the lighting, guys. Yeah, that is. It's the Bad Bagger. It's not a new model by any means, but I just love that flame job on it. It's just cool. It's just cool, and that totally metal chassis there and engine. I mean, it's just. I think that's just great. That's just one of my favorite Q casting that they've put out so far. I did pick up a recolor of the Indy 500 in the orange with the Hot Wheels livery. That's pretty awesome too. I love that. And then, you know, I don't know how you guys feel about the airplanes, but recolor on that one there. So that was all I found, guys, so far at the Q case. While I was out today, like I said, did a little peg hunt today. I did go by a Kroger today. They had a bunch of Hot Wheels. It was all old stuff. However, I did find something that I have been looking for months now. Ever since I seen it was coming out, I've been looking for it. I've not found it anywhere. Found it at my Kroger. Look at that. That's the 5-pack of the Hot Wheels Flames, and I tell you what, I love every casting in there. Obviously, we've seen the Charger there a few times in the main lines, but yeah, this sucker has just been so elusive for me. I've not found it, not seen it anywhere. I've been looking at 5-packs everywhere I go, and oddly enough, I got this. Like I said, I got it at Kroger, and I got it on sale. I only paid like $3 and something for it. For a pretty good deal. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you, a few of my pickups lately. But now let's get on to the case. Sorry, I keep looking at the time. Something I learned in my very first video was it takes no time at all to rack up an hour-long video on YouTube. I mean, when you're making it. I mean, it just, you know, it just seems like time goes by so fast. But I'm going to try to keep this one kind of short. I want to try to keep all my videos within 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, maybe even a little shorter if I can. Because I know, you know, I watch YouTube videos all the time. And after a while, you know, you don't really get bored with it, but you tend to kind of fast forward to the good stuff. So, so now we're going to get into the good stuff. Find my knife. There we go. Going to get into the good stuff here. I'll crack open this Kroger Exclusives N case. Like I said, I'm assuming that's what it is. I know there's the number there. I've seen a few videos of guys opening these. It does have an N on it, so I'm assuming that's what it is. It's N case cars. So I'm going to get my camera situated so you guys can join me, and we're going to open this thing up. Alright guys, well let's get to it. Unfortunately, I don't have any way to set up my phone, so I'm going to have to hold it and do this all one-handed, but we'll get it done and see what's in here. So got my trusty case knife here. We're going to slice this bad boy open very, very gently and gingerly. Alright, put that down. See what we get. I don't know if they put treasure hunts and super treasure hunts in these exclusive cases or not, but we're getting ready to find out. Like I said, this is going to have the 4 exclusives in it. Alright, there we go, guys. 36 cars. Like I said, not sure what all we're going to see in it, but let's look and see what we got. We're going to pull out the first 3 there. Alright. Got the Honda Civic. Yeah, and I'm gonna kind of fly through these guys because you guys know what's in them, and I'm sure you see them on other videos, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the ones that we're going to see. So, alright, we got the X-Jet and the Rocket Oil Special. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I'll try to do better there. Let me get some stuff out of the way here so we can see. Alright, next 3. I'll spend more time with the exclusive cars. So. Alright, there we go. I've been wanting this one. I haven't had a chance to get this casting yet. The old 52 Chevy, the recolor on it. Kind of dig that gray there. It kind of like a primer gray. Man, lighting is horrible in here. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, I'm going to have to hold them up a little bit. Alright, so that's a good one. Alright, we got the old Dodge Rampage. Everybody's seen that one. And the old Turtle Shell. Everybody's seen that one. Alright, next three. Oh, there's our first recolor right there, guys. Buick Regal GNX in black. Oops, sorry. Wasn't looking at my phone. There we go. Alright. Black Widow. Looks like that's what it says. That's pretty awesome. They could use some real riders on there for sure, but man, the glare is just horrible. I apologize, guys. I'm gonna work on my setup, I promise. No tampos in front and back, but that's pretty cool. That's the first Kroger exclusive. Set that one over to the side. Well, there's the old 49 Ford F1, which is not the Super, so doesn't look like we're going to get a Super treasure hunt in this case. But that's a pretty cool casting. I dig the purple. Alright. And then there's our second Kroger exclusive, another GNX. Set that one over there. Alright, let's see what else. Next three. Alright, got us a Bugatti. Good casting. Another exclusive GMC Cyclone in yellow. It's pretty awesome. Tampos on the back, nothing on the front. It's pretty cool. I dig it. And then there's the Nissan R390. Alright, what else we got? Another Cyclone, yellow Cyclone. Alright, there's the Toyota Land Cruiser. That's a cool casting there. Pretty cool. And then the Mad Splash. You know, this one's not too bad for a fantasy casting. I mean, I like how they kind of made the base look like water. And then you got the boat there. It's not focusing very well, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, next three. What do we got here? Alright, we got the GT Scorcher. 67 Olds 442. This is one that I've been missing. I just picked one up today, so this will make my second one. I love the golf livery on these cars. You know, I've got several of them so far, several of the different castings. That one's pretty cool. And the Dodge Charger SRT Rescue 7. Everybody's seen that one. Alright, next set. There's the Eruption. I'm gonna have to crack this one open so I wanna open them wings up. See how it looks with the wings open. That's the bad thing about him having to package them like this. Man, the glare is just excruciatingly painful. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Another exclusive. The Lancia in red. Not too bad. No tampos on the front, nothing on the back. Alright. And then there's the Mad Manga. Nothing special there. Alright, three more. What do we got? Alright, I just picked up one of these today. La Troca in white and gold pinstripe. Gold bottom. That's a cool casting. I love the truck castings. I don't know about you guys, but I just love them. Mercedes in silver. And the recolor on the Celica. I think I like that first green color. It was on it better, but that one's not bad. Not too bad. Alright, we got another Lancia exclusive. Alright, we got the Rally Baja Crawler. That one's alright. Oh, there we go. Ford Raptor. I love it. It's actually purple. It looks black in my camera. There we go. Sorry, guys, if I'm not taking a lot of time on some of these castings, but a lot of these are probably see them in your Walmart every day, so I'm just kind of buzzing through them. But that one's pretty cool. That's a cool casting. All right, next three. What do we got? Oh, there we go. There's the Lamborghini Huracan. I dig that camo livery on it. Sorry, guys, trying to keep it in focus here. Not too bad. Not too bad. Another Kroger exclusive. Mustang GT. The Drift. Formula Drift. This one's in white. Not too bad. Pretty cool. Then there's the Porsche. Nothing special there. Alright, next three. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Well, another Kroger exclusive. So I think there's two of each in these cases. Another Mustang. So, alright. Fusion Busta. Alright. And the Tricera truck. Yeah, okay. I think we can all do without little Tricera truck. Alright, there's the Ain't Fair in orange, which we've all seen that one before. There's the Mazda in a gray, dull gray, flat gray paint. Pretty cool. And last one in the case is the Chevy Impala SS Fire and Rescue. It's alright casting. I mean, kind of plain Jane, but if you're into the police and the fire vehicles and all that, you know, I can see where that one would kind of be pretty cool. So anyway, alright guys, that'll do it. That's your 4 castings on the Kroger Exclusives case, the latest case, the N case. You got your white Ford Mustang Drift, the red Lancia, the yellow GMC Cyclone, and the black GNX. I think that GNX is probably my favorite one. Favorite casting of those. But, hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be posting another video here shortly. I've got some other stuff I want to show, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. I need to get some subscribers. So thanks again, guys. It's Going Diecast. See y'all later.